Hello and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you a way of cleaning an air rifle or air gun or pistol barrel. This was recommended by one of my friends who's got loads of air rifles and guns, and he's been shooting for more than 30 years. And the only thing he uses when he's cleaning the barrel is this stuff, Singer, wherever it's called. It can be used for drills. It's normally used for sewing machines, but it's got the rifle picture there and all that. It's very thin oil. And what I'm going to do today, I'm going to clean the barrel again a different way. I normally clean the barrel with these roll-up filters. Yeah, and that's it. Just put them through and they normally get a lot of dirt out. But this time, this is how he showed me, is to put a bit of the oil in there. I'll just clean this nozzle a bit so it doesn't drip. And then manipulate the filter first. Let's just cock it. Make sure it goes in. A bit more. Okay, so and then what you do is dip it in the oil and then stick it in the barrel like that. Make sure there's resistance. Move that out of the way. And then push it through. Well, check that out. That's after 500 rounds through it. And he says you only do that once and then go through with dry swabs or whatever you use to clean the barrel with. So what this does is takes the excess oil away and still clean the barrel, and at the end of it, it will leave a very thin film of oil, very thin. So push that through. Yeah, still dirty. Do another one. Make sure, as I say in my other videos, don't do it too loose. You want resistance. Yeah, that's plenty of resistance. Push that through. Still dirty. Normally it's around about 4, and that kind of cleans the barrel. Let's put that in there. A bit more. Yeah, there's plenty of resistance there. And as you're cleaning it through with dry ones, it's removing the excess oil, but still lubricating it and protecting it, I suppose. That's still dirty. Let's do another one. And also what he said is, once you've cleaned the barrel, the first few shots are going to be inaccurate, okay, because it needs to re-lead in or something he mentioned about, you know, and then you'll notice the shots will start being accurate again. So push this one through again. Yeah, that'll do. That's clean enough. Okay, so that was the first one. That's the last one. And that's it. Hopefully you liked the video. Until next time, thank you for watching. Goodbye.